if you are doing things well in China, but you also are knowledgeable about Russia, opportunities in Russia, you're much more distinctive, such as ladies, with basically using your skill to the maximum. So we'd love to encourage you to visit Russia, to visit partnership universities of Tsinghua University and their partners with St. Petersburg University, with Moscow State University. I think it's very important that our younger people talk to each other, understand each other, understand the history of China for Russian students, understand the history of Russia for Chinese students. And we're big believers that that will be a foundation for great opportunities between our nations. We believe that will be a great opportunity for each of you who is interested in Russia to really become distinctive, to say, how can I apply my knowledge that I have in this ever-changing world to really advance China interest in Russia and work jointly with Russian companies and Russian students. And I think in that regard, the creation of a center that Tsinghua University is doing on the Russian-China studies in the intellectual sphere is very important. And we encourage you to attend some of those lectures and see that, because there is a huge synergy, as we mentioned, between Russia and China.